Hello students of Standard 8. Welcome to DAV Moyle Public School. I am your English teacher Jagruti Mishra. Let's begin our today's online session of English. Today we will continue with the same unit, sports. Dear students, winning is not the only source of happiness. A truly happy person is the one who knows how to handle failures. What would you do in the following situations? Just tick the option and find the best. You could not win a swimming competition, you would go home and sulk. Try to identify your weakness and improve upon them. Carry on with don't give a damn attitude. What could you do you could not do well in a competitive exam, you would work hard and take the same exam next year. Take a break from studies and go to a hill station and decide not to take the exam again. Not care about it and move in with life. During a football match, you found that one of your teammates played foul to win the match. You would inform the coach and request to return the prize. Enjoy the win with your friends. Tell your friend not to repeat the mistake. Last one, you want to go abroad for higher studies. You have cleared the qualifying test. You are jubilant. All of a sudden, you receive a joy that your father has suffered a business setback and cannot afford the expenses. You would feel shattered and blame your destiny, apply for an education loan, or take admission in some Indian university. Dear students, in our previous session we have learned the poem 9 Gold Medals. So, here is a crossword with their synonyms. Sports, once a symbol of harmony and team spirit, now often produce incidents and intolerance and angry outbursts. It is universally acknowledged and there is an urgent need to relearn the meaning of true sportsman spirit. Now, listen to a tape script to find out simple ways to learn team spirit and sportsmanship. On the basis of your listening to the passage, complete the wave chart given below. Simple ways to learn good sportsmanship. Sportsmanship can be taught as a playing fair, showing courtesy to other players, and displaying grace, no matter what the outcome of the game is. To promote or learn sportsmanship, encourage fair play, and follow the rules. Losing can be difficult, but people who keep their hands up and congratulate their opponents will probably work harder the next time around. Try to have fun and enjoy the game whether you lose or win. Respect all players and use appropriate language. Never use foul language. Encourage teammates even if they have lost a point or dropped a catch. Rude or negative body language should be avoided. Accept the umpire's decision even though you may not be completely satisfied with it. Never question an umpire's honesty. And lastly, a good sportsman understands that on a different day, his team might be the one offering congratulations to the winners. After all, each game is a new game. Now, read the following newspaper clippings. Match referee fines players for shedding by staff reporter. Two cricket players were found fined half of their match for allegedly using foul language during the game. Such incidents of shedding are becoming increasingly common on the ground. Uncontrolled aggression on the field is threatening to spoil the true sportsman spirit of the sports. Angry spectators bring the game to a halt by staff reporter. Eden Gardens, September 22. The semi-final match between India and Sri Lanka was abandoned as the aggressive spectators, angry at the poor performance by the home team, threw empty bottles on the players standing near the boundary. The recent years have seen a dramatic change of attitude among the spectators, who no longer accept defeat sportingly. Dear students, have we all really forgotten the true spirit of sports? Do sports only mean winning? Is participation not a joy in itself? Just note all the points and prepare an article on the topic, The True Spirit of Sports, to be published in your school magazine. Already the format is given, heading is given, just you have to write by means your name, class, and you have to start writing the article. Imagine yourself to be one of the spectators who watched this event in Special Olympics. This event means the poem which we have studied in our previous session, the 9 gold medals. Write a letter to your friend telling about the incident and the 9 contestants who exhibit extreme sensitivity and true sportsmanship and set an example for other sportspersons. Dear students, here we end our today's session. We will continue with the same unit in our next session. Have a nice day. Thank you.